Good morning, students. Today we go over some CXC sample questions. Okay, the first one we have here is, which of the following is not an example of a peripheral device? Okay, first of all, we need to find out what is a peripheral device. A peripheral device is any device, okay, that is attached to the CPU. Okay, so the printer will attach it to the CPU, the mouse you will attach it also, and the keyboard. So what is not attached to the CPU, okay, in this case is memory. So the answer for number one is memory. Okay. Question number two. Which of the following is not an output device? Okay. We could easily get the answer, but let us look at which are our input device. Okay. So a modem act as an input device. Monitor, okay, as an output device. Microphone, output device. Modem is an output device. So the answer in this case is not an output device, is the mouse. Okay. Number three. Which of the following does not describe the function of a mouse? The function of a mouse. I'm sure that all of us have used mouses before, and we know how to use them, right? So for number three, okay, it's not a function, it's a pointing device. Okay, a mouse is a pointing device, has a rubber ball underneath. It also, some mouses have that. Left button is used to select text, that is also correct. So the answer in this case is A, has a set of keys, which is not true. That's a keyboard, right? Number four. Okay. Is an example of a direct data entry device. Direct entry device. Okay. A plotter cannot be because that's an output, right? That's totally off. A mouse also is not a direct entry. A keyboard in here, but a barcode reader, yes, it's a direct entry. Number five, an inkjet printer is best described as a memory device. No, it's not a memory. It's a printer, right? Can be. It's a storage. Here, it's an output. No. An inkjet printer, okay, is an output device. Okay. Number six. Which of the following devices is most suitable for signaling that there is a smoke in the area? There's a smoke in the area. Okay. Let us look at the different choices here. A thermometer is totally off. An OCR reader cannot be. A mouse, you must use a sensor. A sensor is used to signal that there is fire in an area. Okay. Number seven. The two kinds of main memory are primary and secondary. That's not correct. Random and sequential. is not correct. Hard and soft, the answer is RAM and ROM. Those are the main types of memory. Okay, RAM and ROM. Okay, RAM stands for random access memory. Okay, this type of memory could be accessed, could be used when the computer is on, is active. When you turn off the computer, everything, all information from RAM is erased. Please note also that the more RAM your computer has, the faster it will be. RAM, read-only memory. Okay, it gives special instructions like how the computer to boot up. Okay, it is programmed by the manufacturer. It cannot be altered or modified. Okay, so the answer for number 7 in this case, we said it's this, right? Number 8. Which of the following is true about writing custom software? Okay, it's true. Let us look what is true so we could eliminate the other ones, right? It is much cheaper than using an off-the-shelf. That is false, okay? The answer here is, the other choice you have here, it does not have a long time to produce. It does not take a long time to produce. That is not true. Okay? Many other companies will have the same software. That is also not true. So the answer for this choice is C. It may not have all of the features that are required because it's custom made. Okay? It's done only for you. Your company has the only copy. Okay? So not a lot of companies have this software. It takes long to produce, but not as much, and it may not have all the features. Number 9. Which type of cable is used for cable TV? Okay, well, this one is easy, right? So this is the answer here. This is used for a local network, okay? Number 10. When a floppy disk is formatted, all data is, the answer is deleted from the disk. Okay? Deleted from the disk. New format. Number 11. A concentric ring on a hard disk is referred to as trucks. That is trucks. The rings, okay? Buffer. Okay, let me explain what is buffer since already in this section here. A buffer is a special type of memory that is used especially when the computer is executing an instruction, or when you're entering, for example, when you're typing. Some of us are good typists. We type so fast. So when we type, the letters goes in a buffer, and afterwards, after finish typing the word, then it displayed on the screen. Okay, called buffering. Number 12. A type of utility used to reduce the size of files is called compression file. Compression. Okay. The number 13 we have here is the corresponding decimal value of 111. Okay, 4 ones base 2. The answer is 15. Okay, so this here represent a 1, and this represent a 2, this one represent 4, and this represent 8. So if you add up together 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, then you have plus 8 will give you 15. Okay, now we're going to number 14 here. What is the corresponding decimal value of the octal number 44? Okay, so the answer here is 36. Okay, so that's the answer for number 14. Okay, number 15. The term BCD represents binary coded decimal. This is the answer for it. Okay, binary coded decimal. Okay, a network. The answer for that enables 2 or more computers to communicate. The answer is B. The answer for number 16 is B. Okay, number 17. There are 2 stable states in a testable environment. It could be 0, 1, on, off, true, false. Okay, so that's it for number 17. Number 18. Okay, the answer is system utilities perform functions such as checking the space. Okay, that's the correct answer for that. Okay, for number 18, system utilities performs functions such as checking the space. Okay, number 19, a popular interface that we know, okay, that we use every single day. We turn on the computers and the laptops. We call them as this one here, a graphical user interface. Okay, so the answer monitor here is totally off. It can't be a monitor. Command line, it is used also by all computers. Okay, that you see the prompt blinking there and you enter all your commands, but it's not that the answer. Okay, so the most popular one is the graphical user interface. Number 20. Okay, number 20, we have here an electronically identified interface for getting information into and out of a computer is called, let me see, it's called bay, cannot be a bay, expansion card, no, it's called a port. So the answer here is a port. Okay. Now 21. An application software does not include, okay, does not include, number 21. Okay, application software is a presentation software. For example, and this is an example, PowerPoint is a presentation, is an application. Web browser is an application, just like examples of a web browser will be like Mozilla, Chrome, Edge, you name it there. Web processing is an example of an application software. So the answer here in this case, which is does not include application software, it is system software in this case, right? That's the answer. 22. Okay. What is the name of the folder that houses the web page in the URL given below? Okay. Let's look at it. So number 22. The answer is this one here. Okay. So the name of the folder that houses the web page is this one here. This is the name of the folder. That's it. Because this part here you have here is the domain name. Okay. So don't confuse. This is domain name. Okay. This is the folder where this file here this one is located. Okay. Number 23. Marlene is much more interested in computer hardware and circuit design. She may want to consider a career in, let's look at the answer for that. Hardware. Okay, the computer science is very general. End user support, not there. Electrical engineering, no. So the answer might be a system engineer. Okay. The answer is B. 24. A file with extension XLS is most likely associated with a spreadsheet. Okay? So you need to make sure you know the extensions for these. Okay? The spreadsheet this is the extension XLS. 25. An example of a present check. Present check is, let's look at it. Examining. Okay, so that's not the answer. The answer will be 25 is C. Okay, testing that only letters are entered in a name field. Okay, that's an example of it. Okay. 26. The exit command is located in a menu of file, usually there. Okay, so you go to file in almost all programs. File, even in Microsoft Word, file, then you exit. Okay, file, exit. Most programs have it there. Okay. 27. A security buffer between a company, private network, and all external network is a password. Cannot be a password. That is be a firewall. So the answer for 27 is a firewall. 28. A computer virus is software written with malicious intent to cause annoyance or damage. Annoyance or damage. So this is the answer A. Okay. 29. Which of the following moves through network and operating system by attaching itself to different programs? Moves through networks and operating systems by attaching itself. So the answer is wrong. Okay, 30. This type of topology are nodes connected to a central hub. So the answer is a star topology. Okay, I think we did different topologies in class where you had to create your own topology afterwards. Okay, the ring topology, just imagine like all the computers connected as a ring. Okay, one major disadvantage of it is that if one cable goes down, the whole network goes down. With the star topology, is different. Each computer is connected to the hub, okay, or to the switch, because we don't use hub anymore. So if one goes down, then only that one will be down. The other computers will be up and running. Okay. So number 31, we have here. Let's look at it. When saving a single document, a file name, the drive and folder in which to store the document must be specified only the first time the save command is used and every time the save as command is used. So this is the answer. Okay. So please note that some of the questions that you come for CXC is the thing that you usually do in class. Okay? So unconsciously you're doing this, so you have to be aware when you want to save. Okay, what you need to do is just think a little bit, try to recall. Okay? 32. The minimum number of rows and columns in a word table. So when you want to insert a table, I'm sure someone will go to file, to insert a table and choose the number, but we need to recognize in this case is what the least minimum amount is only 2 rows and 1 column. Okay? We do that every time we want to do that in Microsoft Word. So 33. What type of software is used for creating letters and other documents? Letters. When you want to write a letter, where would you go? Would you go to a database? No. A database is used to create records, like a list of voters, things like that. A spreadsheet, we use it for, we mentioned, for budgets, okay, payroll. We go to word processing. So the answer is word processing. Okay? And to write the letter. 24. To create a table for 5 people containing the heading, name, address, and a reference number at the top, you will need let's see, approximately you will need this, okay, 6 rows and 3 columns, okay, because you need to put a header and all information 5 people, okay. 25. The most appropriate software for showing information in point form on a large screen, okay, is into a PowerPoint, on a big screen. We use always is a presentation software, okay, PowerPoint. 26. Okay, let's look at this here. The question 26 to 38 are based on the spreadsheet below. So let's look at the spreadsheet here first. Let's analyze it, okay? So here we have the 10%. Here is the items, the oil price. You put a formula here. Okay. Let's do some also observation. This C1 is where the 10 is located. Looking at this, I know that if I copy it will give me a wrong information unless I have a $sign in front of the C here and a $sign in front of the 1, so that it will become obsolete. Okay? Now, once I have done this analysis, let's look here. Cell 4 contains a function. No, because it's not a built-in function. It's not a range, it's not a graphic, so the answer is a formula here. Okay? Let's go back there. So, yes, this is a formula right there. Okay? 37. If the contents in cell C4 are copied to cell C5 through C7, and then cell C7 contains, the cell C7 contains, the answer is D. Okay? So if you are to copy it down, so as it is, okay, this will be, here will be C2 and so on, okay? So 38, the result in cell C4 is A. Okay, So if you were to copy this formula down here, it will be 2.7. Okay. 38. The result in cell. Okay. We already did this one, right? 39. Instead of using symbols to represent program logics, okay, use these statements that are English-like. Okay, so the answer for number this is pseudocode. Okay, pseudocodes are used to create in algorithms in a way, but then they use a descriptive algorithms. Okay, so you put it in your own words, more or less. Okay, 14. The only language that a computer directly interprets is called a machine language. This one is easy because it's only zeros and ones, right? Machine language. The machine, zeros and ones. Okay, number 41. IPO programs specify the input, processing, and output products. Okay, so the answer is this. Okay, so the I in this case represent input, P represent the processing, and O represent the output. Okay, so number 32. An if-then else structure. If-then. Okay, this is programming part, right? Is part of a sequence. Let me explain some of these. Okay, sequence means that it will the algorithm or the algorithm will flow downwards. Okay, without making decisions, without making loops. A common example would be like find the area. Just a simple calculations on that. Okay, repetition will be if you make the program do certain amount of loops. Like how make the computer counts from 1 to 10. You'll do the repetition of the same procedure a certain amount of time. Selection. On the selection, you make the computer or algorithm do a decision. Like if it's raining today, you bring an umbrella. Okay? So you have to select what you need to do. Either based on the condition, then the computer will do this or the other. Okay, so the answer for this one is 42. And if-then else structure is part of our selection. So the answer for this is 43. Repetition. Okay, so the answer for this one we already explained more or less on this one is this one here in this case. Okay, it cannot be if then else because this will be the decision, right? Sequence will be a straightforward one, will be a linear one after another without making decision. So do while this is done. Okay. Do while it is should. Sorry. Okay. Number 44. A simple program here. The following loop will be executed how many times? For count 0 to 3. Okay. So the loop will be if you count from 0 to 3. So the answer will be number 4. So that's the answer. Because it's not from 1 to 3, but from 0 to 3. Okay, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So how many times is that? It's 4 times. Okay. Number 55. In Pascal, okay, when you are doing your SBE, Initiating a variable means to declare a type of variables. Okay, so that's the answer for that. 56. Let's go back to programming again. Programming languages that are classified as low-level languages. Okay, we have different types of level languages. You have the low-level, high-level, and the 4 generations, right? So we have here, let's look at it. Basic is a high level. Pascal is a high level. So the low levels will be the machine codes and the assembly language. So both of them is it. So the answer for this is D. Okay. Answer is an interpreter. The answer for this one is this one here. Convert the program line by line. Line by line. Okay. So 48. The first step in solving a problem is to define the problem first, and then you go on. Okay. Is the answer, okay? Define a problem. Then you create your algorithms and so on, okay? 49. Which device has the largest storage capacity? The answer for this is a hard disk, okay? A hard disk is the hardest one, okay? So, the last one. The ICT manager is responsible for. Okay, the answer is all of the above. All of the above. Prepare budgets, read reports on the system performance, plan, coordinates, and managing and staff. Okay, so do all of the above. Okay, so that's it. Alright, let's see if I could continue a little bit more on this one. Okay. Alright, let us continue. Okay, let us continue now with the matching section of this exam here. Okay, designs and develops, tests and supervise the manufacturing of components such as the computer chips, circuit boards. Okay, so the answer for this one is a computer engineer. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's do this one now. A software that simulates a variety of conditions to see if a condition actually works. Okay, it's a computer simulation there. Okay. The other one here is a software package designed to make it easier to produce engineering and architectural designs. Computer aided design here. Okay. The next one we go. Let's go up a little bit more. Okay. Scramble data during storage or transmission so that it can be understood by someone. That's encryption. When you encrypt your data, okay, so that people cannot be able to scramble it for you. Okay. This one. Electronic junk mail. We get that frequently when with our email, right? So that is, let's just look here. Okay, we call it a spam. Here. Spam. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Where we are now. Okay. This one, right? Refers to the right of an individual to determine what information is stored about them and how the information will be used. Okay, that is called this one. Okay, it's right there. Okay. Now let's go. I think we're using this one, alright. A program or hardware device or combination of both that filters the information coming through the internet. This is a firewall. And unauthorized access to a computer. You have, can you name this as hacking? The buying and selling of products over the internet. Okay, let's see. Telemarketing. Okay. A lot of students in confused with telecommuting. Telecommuting is working at home. Okay. Like you're actually working at the office, but you're actually at home. Okay. So you have access to your computer, have access to all the resources from the office. Okay. Let's look here. The unauthorized copying, using or selling of software. Unauthorized. That is software piracy. Right there. Okay. Right. A measurement of volume of data that can be transmitted in a given time. Okay, let's leave this for last. Okay. A person who manages a website is a webmaster here. Okay. A person who writes tests and debugs programs, so writes. Okay, so he must be a programmer. Okay. It is a company that provides you access to the internet. That's an ISP, Internet Service Provider. Okay. Permits data simultaneously in both directions. It's called a full duplex. Okay. Let me see. A person responsible for the effective and efficient storage, retrieval, customization of data here. Let's look. The answer is the data administrator here. Okay. So when people ask you, what is your download speed? What is your download? Your download is the measurement of data or data to be transmitted at a given time. So the answer for this one is downloading, right? The download. Okay, did I miss anyone? Computer aided learning. Because we can see which one is this one. Did I miss? Which one I missed? I missed one, but I don't know which one here. Okay, this one, I guess. The use of computers to help students acquire knowledge. So this one is computer aided learning. Okay. Which other one? This what happened to the students, and we have a lot of a big list. Okay. Okay, this one. Very cheap cable used for connecting computers peripheral in a network. This is supposed to be Cat 5. Okay, bandwidth. Oh, sorry. Here, I said downloading. Where is downloading? Okay, downloading. Okay. A measurement of volume of data that will be transmitted in a given time. This one is called the bandwidth. Your bandwidth. Alright. So we'll stop here. Okay. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that you go over this several times so that you'll be able to pass EXE. Make sure that you read your books. You will have seen the different topics that we have covered, and try to review the different chapters from your book.